Hello, my name's Matt Clark, and I'm a partner with Cohn Stiles. One of the questions I often get asked is, why should I have uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage on my automobile liability insurance policy? First of all, I want you to understand what underinsured or uninsured motorist coverage is. If you look at your auto insurance policy, you'll have a variety of different coverages that may be on it. The first and most obvious one is liability coverage. That's a coverage that covers you if you're in an accident and you're at fault and you cause injury to somebody else. And in California, the minimal requirement for that type of policy is what we call $15,000 over $30,000, meaning that there's $15,000 available for one person up to $30,000 maximum available if more than one person in that accident is injured. And that's not a lot of coverage. I think that a lot of my clients are very surprised to learn that that's all the insurance that somebody is required to have when they're driving around in a vehicle here in California. And so how do you protect yourself? Well, you purchase a policy of what's called uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage, and that's part of your auto insurance. That policy covers you in a variety of ways. It covers you if you're in an accident and somebody hits you who has too little or no insurance. It also covers you if you're riding in somebody else's vehicle and that person is in an accident and it's their fault and they have too little or no insurance. If you are hit while in a parking lot or walking on the sidewalk or running near the curb of the street and you're injured and the person who hit you has either no insurance or too little insurance, your uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage can cover you in that situation too, even though you aren't in your vehicle when the accident happened. If you're riding your bicycle and you're hit by a car and that person that was driving the car is at fault for the accident and they have either no insurance or too little insurance, your uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage will cover you in that situation as well. Insurance companies oftentimes, and I see this all the time with my own clients, will write larger liability policies, such as $100,000 per person or $300,000 per accident, while simultaneously getting you to sign a waiver to drop your underinsured motorist coverage down to something much less than that. And I would highly advise that you do not do that. These coverages can be very complex, and the interaction between the other driver's insurance and your uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage may take time to figure out. It's also complicated to the extent that it's very difficult for somebody to handle an underinsured or uninsured motorist claim on their own. So if you believe you have a case that involves uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage, please give us at Cohn Stiles a call, and one of our lawyers would be happy to meet with you.